Both of our robots are built exactly the same way, and that's why I'm gonna explain the hardware first. We have these two wheels at the front, which are strong enough to grab the ball and allow us to turn around towards the opposite goal, and the backward spin even makes our robot go a little bit faster and stronger. The same motor also operates the shooting mechanism, which are these two sticks, and the way it works is if the gears from the motor turn around one way, they won't actually affect the shooting mechanism, but only the wheels. And if we turn the other way around, they will push down the gears onto the other ones and therefore shoot the ball away. And for getting the sticks back up, we have this little rubber band installed. The wheels that grab the ball are attached directly via these gears to the motor, so when we shoot, they will turn the other way around and therefore give the ball a little bit more force. We also have installed an ultrasonic sensor at the back, but we haven't really used it yet because it was a little bit imprecise and we didn't have the time to do so. At the back of our robot we have these wheels that are really small but are connected via a really large transmission, and therefore they are able to spin really fast and the robot can drive as fast as if it had big wheels. The reason we do this is mainly because the big wheels were way heavier than these small ones with the transmission, and we had weight problems at first, so we were weighing more than a kilogram, and that's why we had to build an entirely new robot, and this is the first thing we decided to change about it. However, the problem with these small wheels is that we were easily pushed away by other robots that had bigger wheels because we simply didn't have a lot of grip onto the table. And yeah, that's basically about it for the hardware. Obviously our two robots have different programming, and therefore I'm gonna explain the defending robot first. The way it works is really simple. We drive forwards a little bit, then we rotate towards the ball, push it away and drive back towards the goal. It's really simple, and the reason we had to do it this simple is because we didn't have a lot of time when we were at the official competition, because yeah, it didn't really work, and so we needed an emergency program, and this is what we decided to do, because a robot that does simple stuff is still better than a robot that does nothing. The software for our attacking robot is a lot more complicated though. What we do is we drive towards the ball using the infrared sensor, and as soon as we have it, we detect which color field we are on, and depending on that we drive towards the opposite goal. Also note that we are driving backwards, because this confuses the defending robot, or at least we hoped so, because for our defending robot, as you can see, it spins back and forth a lot, and so we thought the other robots would do that too, but apparently that didn't work as great as we thought it would. But yeah, it was still a really good strategy, driving backwards, because we could push the other robots away if we were strong enough, and they couldn't grab the ball from us because we were in the way. So yeah, that's basically about it for everything there is to know about our robots for the WRO season this year. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching and we will see you next time.